How do I sign up for Amazon Prime to watch live football?
Hello viewers. Today, we are going to talk about how you can sign up for Amazon Prime to watch live football. If you're a sports enthusiast and love watching football matches in real time, this guide is for you.
What is Amazon Prime?
Amazon Prime is a subscription service provided by Amazon that offers numerous benefits. Among these are Prime Video, which gives you access to thousands of movies and TV shows, including live sports like football games.
How to sign up for Amazon Prime?
To sign up for Amazon Prime, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the Amazon website. On the top right corner, you will see a button labeled Try Prime. Click on it. Step 2. You will be directed to a new page detailing all the benefits of Amazon Prime. There will be a button labeled Try Prime Free. Click on this button. Step 3. Now, you will be asked to log in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one by clicking on Create Your Amazon Account. Step 4. After logging in, you will be asked to enter your payment details. While the first 30 days of Amazon Prime are free, Amazon requires payment information for when the trial period ends. Step 5. After entering your payment details, click on the Start Your 30-Day Free Trial button. Congratulations! You have successfully signed up for Amazon Prime.
How to watch live football on Amazon Prime?
Once you are an Amazon Prime member, you can watch live football games. Here's how. Step 1. On the Amazon homepage, hover over Prime Video in the top menu and then click on it. Step 2. You will see a section labeled Sports. Click on this section. Step 3. Here you will find the live football games available for you to watch. Simply click on the game you want to watch and enjoy. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for Amazon Prime and watch live football games. We hope this guide has been helpful and you can now enjoy your favorite football matches live from the comfort of your own home. Happy watching!